Like a Hellcat.
What is up today, guys? Welcome back to DK Custom Trucks. You see the Ford here. I'm going to go over this truck today. I want to say that if you guys watch the channel and you guys are not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. It's free. And becoming of this summer, I feel like you guys are going to want to be subscribed because this Ford is not going to pass inspection ever again. And so we have this thing in Ohio that we're going to go to this year, and this Ford is going to go. It's called Yankee Lake Truck Nights. It's a big mud bog and everything. If you guys are interested, subscribe to this channel because it's going to happen this summer. I'm making sure of it. Within the next week, I should be getting a new pickup truck. Hopefully, what I'm looking at right now is it's a 2004 GMC Sierra 1500. Looks almost identical to Scott's except for it's black. It doesn't have the tow mirrors or a headache rack or nothing like that, but it's a black truck. It's really nice. Like, the interior is immaculate. So if you guys want to see all this stuff happen, go and hit the subscribe button. It's free. You guys know that. I'm sure that whoever watches has seen other YouTubers and have subscribed to them. So just go ahead and do it. It's not going to waste any of your time. And if you guys don't watch the video, don't worry about it. So I'm going to show you why this Ford will never pass inspection again, and I'll go over why I have this truck now and why I'm not driving Demon, which you guys should already know, but I'll go over it again. So I'm going to show you right now why this Ford will never pass inspection again. That crack right there, see that frame crack right there? That's the reason this Ford will never pass inspection again. Never, ever will it pass. And not only will it never pass, I don't want it to pass. And actually, it's separating more since I've been driving it. And the basic reason why I have this truck now is because my dad had bought the truck, and he is, for less of a better word, he's an idiot. He's never been in my life. He's always been in jail. Like, I've always known him, but he's always been in jail. He was just an alcoholic. He's actually going to jail on his 8th DUI. So, I mean, let that sink in for a minute. Most people that have their 8th DUI is going to jail for a while. And it's ridiculous that he was out as much as he was, being that he went through his 7th and now his 8th DUI. And I'll show you the interior of it, which I'm going to vacuum it out, but the seat's all torn in it. Everything's okay, like everything works. The heater works and everything. Full drive works. Just, it's not a truck I like, and obviously you guys know that. You know, I'm wearing Enthusiast, which shout out to Dirty Max Jack, you guys should know him. And I'm wearing a Duramax diesel hat. So I mean, obviously you guys know I'm a GM guy, but I mean, all in all, the Ford's not bad looking. Like, it's not a bad looking truck. I actually just washed it because I was like, you know what? Just because I hate the truck doesn't mean I should neglect it. It's got a bunch of like beer cans and everything in the back because, like I said, he was drinking and driving with the truck. This thing has a metal flake. But I haven't really been all over the Ford. All I've been doing is driving it. And I'm sorry I have that running because it's cold in Scott's garage up here. He's going to be up here soon. His truck, actually, the little blocks that I put in it, the 2-inch blocks that make the rear end go up, actually the nipple that's on those that drop down into the knee spring shackle area snapped off. So the axle slid back on him, so now it's over to his brother's shop. And he's working on it because he likes to run his mouth and think that since we're young kids, we don't know what we're doing. Obviously, I'm saying kids, but maybe a lot of you guys that watch me are much older than me. I'm only 19 years old, and so is most of my friends. My buddy Sam, that you guys, I think you might have, I had a video with him in it. He's 21, and I have a buddy Tristan that's 21. My buddy Wyatt's younger than us. So I mean, we're all around the same age group, but he doesn't think we know what his older brother, which is in his 40s, doesn't think we know what we're doing. But I mean, we're 19 years old. We're only doing what we can do. We know what we're doing. It's just whenever there's faulty equipment, because the blocks were only aluminum, and he ended up running something over, and I think that snapped the little nipple that's inside them. Which honestly, it gets under my skin that he thinks that, because he's talking to his brother like we all don't know. So I figure I'm gonna get off here. I'm gonna have my buddy Alex come up today because I need to tighten the seat on his truck, and you guys will maybe see that today, hopefully. But for now, I'm going to get off here. We're going to see Scott when he gets back. Hopefully my buddy Pelch here in like an hour or so. So I'll talk to you guys here in a little bit. This thing's fucking nice. This is more like a gunmetal gray.
Dude, this is actually nice.
Hey, it is 10 miles.
How many?
200K.
That's not bad at all.
Dude, not really. Dude, look at the interior. Wow.
Those Mountain Dew bottles come with?
This fucking interior is sweet.
This is clean.
This is clean as hell.
Dude, you already know the tough stuff will work.
Yeah.
Fuck this.
Ooh, I'm not worried about that. That's just a fender flare.
Yeah.
This thing's nice.
Oh,
What's up? Hang on. Bumper needs a little bit of attention. What's up?
she had pod lights at one point or something.
Why? I don't know, or a light bar or something. Dude, this GMC is actually not bad. Hang on, I'm still looking over it. Frame is actually not bad. Take a look on the interior. Dude, it's got the Bose sound system in it.
Oh, yeah. That's not good. You might want to actually go in and tell them.
I'm just gonna... We're just gonna leave those in
Excuse me a
there.
second, buddy.
No, it's okay. We're just gonna leave those in there.
Dude, who gives a fuck? I'd start the center.
I'm not starting it. I'm not starting it.
Sorry, if it were still.
Yeah.
Dude, you know how many
That's
fucking
cool.
times I've
This
went...
thing's clean too.
Clean, dude.
What's this?
Alternator looks
5.3?
almost... Yeah,
This
I believe so.
I can't tell if it's, oh, right here. Model 2004. It's a 5.3. Yep.
Yeah.
5.3. Dude, this thing's nice.
Hey, Dakota, look at this alternator. Looks almost brand new, too.
I know. Dude, this thing's gonna be nice. I kind of hope I get this. If I don't get this, I kind of hope I get that 2500.
Yeah, I'd say this is a lot nice.
Did you know we came out here for a 5-minute ride, or a 5-minute look at this?
Yeah.
We rode like 20 miles for a 5-minute ride, for a 5-minute look.
Who the hell cares?
Dude.
Dude, that's got something that yours don't. Look at this.
What's that?
I'm not even sure what that is. If anybody knows what that is, comment and tell me. 'Cause I haven't seen one of those on there. This is an automatic, not a standard. This thing's nice. Dude, it is like a gunmetal grain. Look at the metal flake in it.
Yeah, that's nice. I like
Damn,
it.
dude.
Dude, this thing is solid.
Yeah, those rockers.
The only thing that I see that's a problem is that back bumper.
Back over.
Look at it. It's a little rough.
Dude, Russell's
That's not that bad.
got a bumper.
Yeah, that's not that bad either, though. It's all bed linered and shit. This thing is actually like,
Back bumper real quick.
dude, I'm
fine.
right there, and over there.
It's not terrible.
Dude, at least the tail.
No, spare doesn't look too
No,
bad.
dude, this thing's actually all in all not bad. Like, this thing's nice. Like, I actually might sit on
Hey,
this thing.
Dakota, maybe I should crawl underneath and look at
Yeah.
that inner rocker panel. See
Go
if
ahead.
that's fucking. Here, Rod, hold on.
It's actually two-toned if you look. It's got like,
Yeah.
it's like chip guarded all the way up, like how Scott did his.
Yeah.
And then it's got black fender flares.
Well, looking
You
good.
gotta see the fucking underneath of this bed.
Why?
I mean,
Alright.
dude, like, you know how the inner fender wells
Yeah.
are mine? Dude,
Yeah.
these are fucking clean.
Are they?
This
Get it
also
in.
busy. This thing's freaking clean.
Hey, has it got stock exhaust on it, or is that? Oh yeah, that's stock.
Yeah, that's a big old stock fucking.
What's up?
The other thing you might want to look at when you get off the fucking video, the back of this cat fenders look like that's a big old got fucking shit on it.
Oh, I see. Actually, that might just be like that.
I mean, it's fucking hard, dude. There's not
Yeah,
a hole in the...
I'm not worried about that then. If it's not
Dude,
hurt,
that's-
then
Dude,
it's-
I mean, the tab corners are still original. Like that shit.
yeah.
Dude, I'll be sad.
I know.
Who the fuck cares? That
Well, I'd be okay with this or that 2500 GMC.
Just say he ain't out no fucking loss.
This is definitely nice.
This is really nice. I don't know if it's nicer, so to speak. I mean, like the other one's leathered and everything. I'm fully loaded. I don't know. That leather was heated seats and shit too. Yeah, you're right. Dude, this thing, it's got step bars in it. Dude, this thing's comfy. It's really comfy. Dude, I'll let you sit in here
Dude, it
afterwards.
has the freaking buttoned steering
Somebody
wheel
will
too.
see if it feels just
Cruise
like...
control,
Yeah, dude. It's got the buttons for the radio and shit.
I believe.
Dude, yeah, cruise control, everything. Oh, dude, actually,
Dude,
No,
is, that,
don't
I'm not starting it. I'm not starting it.
is that power seats?
Yeah, it's power seats. I'm not starting it. Just want to see how many miles exactly. 206,000. Check oil level. I don't know if it might burn oil.
Oh, I mean, with that many miles on it.
Buckle seatbelt.
I think the only reason it's telling you that is because it's not started. If you start it, the fucking light might not be on.
Sirius XM
Radio's
gets one from
fine.
Sirius XM.
I'll take the key out.
Fuck, is the Sirius XM actually hooked up in this?
Yeah, must be.
No, you gotta.
Dude, look at this. It's even got the fucking really nice everything.
Dude, it's the same.
The
Dude,
automatic tint.
it's the same inside as mine.
I don't think yours doesn't have this on it though.
Yeah, it does.
it? Does it?
Yeah.
Oh, this is exactly the same as yours.
Yeah. Only thing different is just that, but who fuck cares?
Yeah, I don't care.
Dude, this fucking. Dude, this seat.
Dude, it's comfy.
No, dude, I think this seat actually hugs me a little bit fucking nicer than my seat.
This one's like. It is really nice.
Hey,
We're gonna
Dakota.
put the key back in.
Fuck yeah, we got new.
All right, sweet. Let's go. Dude, if you guys do want to come over with me, like the day, like maybe I'll have one of you guys drive us over here,
Yeah.
and like two of us will ride back in this, or if we get this. If not, we'll go and we'll see if Uncle Rick will be interested in that GMC.
Yeah.
But he's coming to talk to these guys tomorrow about this.
Good.
Dude, what if he fucking texts you like tomorrow, be like, hey,
the
can you?
headliner.
Yeah, the headliner's a little fabooed here, but I'm not.
But dude, mine's
He's got it.
mine-
Plus, he's got you got adhesive up at the house
mine's
too.
the same way on that side. And it's
I'm
still-
not too
It
worried
might
about
be
it.
just a typical.
Hey, Dakota.
Just a typical.
What if he
model.
messaged you tomorrow after school and said, hey, I have one of your buddies driving down here, got something I need you to pick up? I'm like,
Yeah.
you'll be fucking, dude, you'll be like, hey, I need you to come drive that old petered out
Right.
Ford and fucking.
This is fucking nice.
Dude, this isn't bad.
Mm.
Like, dude, a little bit of cleaning up yourself. I mean, like, you know they do.
Dude, I'm so excited. If I can't get this, dude, I can't wait to drive down the road in it. You know that I'll be just sitting here like.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's nice.
Dude,
This thing is like.
that thing sounded
It's a-
nasty.
Does those Mountain Dew bottles come with the truck?
I don't know.
What?
Dude, this thing is so cool. Hey, does that door work over there?
Oh yeah.
Dude, can you imagine that trip to fucking.
Yeah, you need to know.
This fucking bitch would be going to Yankee Lake, wouldn't it?
Yeah. All right. That's nice.
Alright, and also if you guys want to see this truck on the channel, comment down below if you guys want to see this, because this thing's a really nice truck. Everything is like mint condition on it. You know, for shits like giggles, let's go down and look at that truck one more. Just because we're walking around this parking lot. Hey, let's go down and take a look at this truck down here out of shits and giggles.
What truck's that?
This one over here. Dude, look, they got a bourbon here too.
What do you want? Not the nice kind,
Diet
though.
back
Uncle
there.
Rick already knows that I want a Chevy truck or a GMC truck. Either
Is
way.
this bourbon loaded up?
Yeah, it's LT. It's loaded. It's got Bose stereo system, everything in it. Yeah, this Odge.
Dude,
We'll get
that's
to you
someone,
later.
hey, that's someone's personal driver, because that's got plates on it.
Oh yeah, it does. Never mind. Holy crap! Look at that car.
Whew,
Ouch.
Dude, that was a fucking...
Ouch.
Leather sheets and everything. What was that?
Dude.
Audi?
No, it was a fucking,
TDI?
no.
No, that was a.
fuck were they?
What is this? Like a Lexus? No, this is a VW. Yeah, this was a Passat. Holy
Fuck.
Was.
was.
Dude, it was a nice one, too.
Yeah, was.
They ain't got too many selections here, but dude, that GMC is sharp.
Hey, you know what's nice? These fucking Denali's.
Oh, this is is this the Denali package one?
Yeah, it does.
Dude, look at the inside of this.
Wow.
I don't know why they leave the keys in there. That's
I
just,
don't know.
Look at it, Owen. You fucking know they're willing to steal. Hey,
Yeah.
there's no fucking single cab.
I see that over there.
Dude, dude old flyer.
Alright, you ready to get some pizza?
$175,000.
Dude, I'm kind of hoping that I do get that GMC.
They do a little bit of cleaning up here fucking night. Some fucking armor all. Dude, that fucking thing looks good.
Dude, I'm gonna put a little bit of money into it and get some fucking seat covers and shit for it if I get it. I need to get a black toolbox for it.
Oh, dude, would you go with matching black? Hey,
Oh my god, yeah.
we start looking around for the black one, huh?
Let's go get some pizza, bro. Are you seriously gonna go there, bro?
Cody,
There's only one way back.
How would you think on this? Even though you'd still be running the stock rims, would you black out the rims too?
I don't know. Probably not. I'll probably just leave them alone until I got new ones.
yeah.
So guys, I want to show you around the truck that we are looking at right now. And we literally just came out here for like a 20 minute drive for 5 minutes of looking at this for nothing to do at all. So now we're gonna grab a bite to eat. We got Wyatt behind us, Scott over here. Our buddy Pelch didn't end up showing up tonight, so we just decided we were gonna pack up and head out this way and take a look at this truck. But I'm gonna get off here so we can now go get a bite to eat. So I guess we'll get off here. See ya later.